Do you think India can build an LLM equivalent to a ChatGPT or a DeepSeek?
Yes, for sure. I think DeepSeek has proven it, right? So it's not a question of whether we can do it. It's clear that we can. I don't think we're ambitious enough. That's I think the biggest problem. I think we're too content with building on the application layer, which by the way is not a wrong thing to do, but I think that the fundamentals are really what pushes the boundary. And I think that we clearly have the talent. I've spoken to two of them already. So we can definitely do it, but I just think that if we were more ambitious, we would have already done it by now.
Yes, it is a time now, and I think China has demonstrated with the least resources, they can do it, so why not we?
Sure, it can. We got excellent engineers here. I have friends in IIT who are in second year, third year, they're doing amazing stuff. I guess more than me with 3-4 years of experience, quite possible. But the problem only with India is it has been always the vision, but the implementation is lag, because as you said, in India there are molds that you have to work this. There's a path you have to go through, but you have to take risks to build something like that. Yeah.